Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy, where today we will uncover one of the most important yet overlooked elements of training, post-training evaluation. In this deep dive, we will explore what post-training evaluation is, why it is absolutely critical, and how you can implement it effectively using practical tools, real-world strategies, and industry-aligned models like the Kirkpatrick's framework. What is post-training evaluation? Post-training evaluation refers to the systematic assessment of a training program after it has been delivered to determine whether it achieved its learning goals and brought meaningful outcomes. It is not just about gathering feedback. It is about assessing what participants learned, how they apply it, and whether it made any difference to their work or the organization's performance. It is the mirror that reflects the true value of your training efforts. Why evaluating training matters more than ever. Organizations spend huge amounts on training, but without proper evaluation, it is all a shot in the dark. Post-training evaluation provides the evidence and insights needed to answer one critical question. Did this training work? It helps prove return on investment, that is ROI. Improve future training programs, align training with the strategic goals, identify knowledge gaps, meet ISO, compliance or audit requirements. Without evaluation, training is just an expense. With evaluation, it becomes a strategic asset. Types of post-training evaluation methods. There is no one-size-fits-all when it comes to evaluation. The method depends on your objectives and resources. Here are the most popular approaches. Feedback surveys. Ask trainees about their experience, trainer quality, and relevance. Pre and post test. Measure knowledge before and after the session. On-the-job observation. Monitor changes in performance or behavior. Manager assessment. Get feedback from supervisors about practical application. Business metrics. Check KPIs such as sales, productivity, or customer satisfaction. Focus groups and interviews. Dive deeper into post-training experiences and challenges. These methods can be used individually or in combination for a comprehensive evaluation. The 4 levels of training impact. The Kirkpatrick model. One of the most powerful models for evaluating training effectiveness is the Kirkpatrick model, widely accepted and recommended by standards like ISO 10015. It includes 4 levels. Level 1. Reaction. Did participants like the training? Was the environment positive and engaging? Level 2. Learning. Did they gain new knowledge or skills? Were learning objectives achieved? Level 3. Behavior. Are they using what they learned on the job? Has their behavior changed? And level 4. Results. Has there been an impact on business outcomes? Have KPIs improved? This model allows you to move beyond surface-level feedback and truly measure real-world impact. Step-by-step post-training evaluation process. Here is a simple step-by-step guide you can follow. Step 1. Set clear learning objectives. Know what success looks like. Step 2. Choose your evaluation methods. Pick what fits your goals. Step 3. Collect data, surveys, tests, observations, performance reports. Step 4. Analyze and interpret. Look for trends, improvements, or gaps. Step 5. Report and share results with HR, leadership, and trainers. Step 6. Take action. Adjust future trainings based on what you learned. Following this cycle turns your training process into a powerful performance engine. Turn training into transformation. Post-training evaluation is not an afterthought. It is a strategic necessity. When done correctly, it justifies your training investment, enhances employee performance, improves future training design, aligns learning with business goals, builds a culture of continuous improvement. So don't just stop at delivering a great training program. Follow through with powerful evaluation. Thank you for watching this detailed session on post-training evaluation. What, why, and how. We hope this gave you clarity, structure, and motivation to rethink your training strategy. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TNV Academy, your go-to platform for practical ISO insights and training mastery. Drop your questions in the comments and we will be happy to answer them. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.